Right, the chakra system is there's an aspect of that in Sufism, in that we have levels of our own being. And we start off with Nafs al-Amara, which is the commanding self, and then we get to the, I mix up all the Nafs al-Mutmainna, and you have these levels of self. So first is the commanding self, that's the 2-year-old. I want it, no, yes, and then there's the self-reproaching self, the self that says you shouldn't have done that, you should do this, and that's the self that calls into question your behavior. And then there's the inspired self that, I didn't know what I was doing, but I put these 2 colors together and they made another color, and I was inspired to do that, and now I have something else, and it's really amazing, and you get inspired to do these things. Then there's the level of contented self, where you are content by, you're satisfied by certain aspects of life. And then there's the beyond the contentment. Then there's the wonder stages of self-development. So these correspond also to physical places in the body. So I'm not, unfortunately, well versed. I want to become more versed in this and find the parallels that go from these levels of consciousness and levels of human development to the levels and spaces within our own being. And that breaks down into a sound and light and various forms of elements that are located not only within our bodies, but also outside of us.